Trading days, April 19th, 2015. We'll start by looking at the SP 500 chart. We had the start of a move down, I guess Thursday really, then Friday. We're looking for more of a move. If you've been reading these or listening for a few weeks, we've been looking for a down move. And we could get a bounce Monday, Tuesday, and then look at this move down getting deeper. If we're still going down into the FOMC meeting, I would expect a rescue, and it would get support at that point. That would be April 29th. Probably at 2 o'clock. Let's go over the usual. We've now got after the move down so far, we've got price below both the 15 and 45-day moving averages. The 15-day never got above the 45-day over the last week and a little bit. All of this is bearish. We're in this symmetrical triangle, and we're coming to a head here in May when they'll cross. Just one of the rules for a symmetrical triangle like this is it normally exits the triangle in the same way that it entered the triangle. In this case, it was moving up, so following that rule, we would break above the the top of the symmetrical triangle at some point. Other things that happened this week, we had two major indexes make new highs. That's the Russell 2000 and the NYSE, while the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones did not. So that is a case of intermarket bearish divergence, and will be another indicator of why we're expecting some negative results over the next few days, other than a potential bounce Monday, Tuesday. Just generally speaking, the Astros are a little less tense. Well, I should say are a little less strong over the next 2 weeks than what we've been experiencing. We do have Mars trine Pluto on the 21st. That's more of a war aspect. And something else I follow is the cycle charts. And Uranus is a cycle chart. There's really a lot of tension showing up there. So we may experience a very tense period, and that would be next week into the first week in May. The estimates for the end of the primary cycle remain the same, although I'm leaning now towards July. There's some longer term cycles going to be occurring in the month of July. One other point, and last point on this chart, we're 11 weeks along the primary cycle, or the nominal 18-week cycle, and we're also 6 weeks along this second 6-week cycle. So this could very well be, where I'm pointing on the screen, the crest for the second 6-week cycle. This was the end where I'm pointing to the first 6-week cycle. So if this is the crest, we'd be going down into the trough of the 6-week cycle, and that would kind of make sense if that trough occurred either this week or the following week. That's all I'm going to say on this one. Thanks for listening.